Hey Chris, hey Annie, it's Brian. I wanted to show you some about the VENZA here, the 2021 VENZA XLE. This one only has about 4,000 miles on it. It was a manager demo. And for anybody else watching that's not familiar with the VENZA, this will be a very useful video to give you an introduction. So here's what she looks like in the flesh. Beautiful, smooth, streamlined body lines here. Lots of curvature. The shape of the wheels really plays with the light at certain angles. Very modern, futuristic rear end. Let's jump inside. Alright, so actually, let me back it up a little bit. Starting here, you're getting the power multi-way driver's seat. On the door, I have auto down and auto up windows all around. Seat memory for two different memories, so technically two different drivers or two different settings depending on how you like to do it. Electronic folding mirrors. I have the Toyota Safety Sense system, which I can go into in person. It's in some of my other videos, but there's your auto high beams. A nice feature here, I'll turn off, I don't need it, is the heated steering wheel. I got the power to the hatchback right there, and I have my locking gas door and hood. So unlike the RAV4 where you have stuff on the bottom, I don't have to bend over to really get anything open. Plenty of controls on the steering wheel. I have my screen controls here, my cruise control, I can change my songs, and I have the volume with voice commands and phone calls. Got my center screen, which by the way, like I mentioned, I use the arrows. So lots of information here. There's different menus to go through so I can turn things on and off, see what the car is doing, see my music, or my gas mileage, etc. Beautiful display. It is a hybrid, so sometimes the engine won't even be on and you can still drive it in electric mode. My favorite part is down here. You have heated and ventilated seats. So I have 3 levels of heat, which will be orange, and 3 levels of ventilation. Wonderful. That'll cool you down if you get a little bit of road rage. By the shifter, I have my different drive modes. I can go into Sport, Normal, or Eco, which I'll show you right on the screen. There's Sport on the top, lights up red down there. Normal's in the middle. Eco is going to boost my gas economy. The push start button is right over here, so I don't have to really look for it like on some of the other models. It's right there and I can see it at the actual cockpit position. Now here's the operation for the climate control, which is 2-zone by the way. And also the top rim here operates my screen and radio. So this is all my cruise control, but the top border is going to be my radio, which is right up here. So I can turn the radio on and off like this. I can even change my screen. So say I want to go to the home screen, I can just hit home. I can see different stuff all at once. That'll go right to my radio, so I can change my source. I can change my songs here, and my volume is right there. What's cool about this new screen is I can change the location of things. So say I want to get to my audio over here, I want to see stuff over here, or say I want to switch positions. I can bring it a little closer to me at the push of a little tap on the screen. The JBL sound system is a very nice upgraded sound system. It's going to make the music sound a little bit more 3D, or your podcasts. And you got your tweeters over there in the corners. Speaking of the corners, notice how on the corner of the door, the mirror's not there. They put the mirror on the door and I have more visibility. So I get a nice 180 view. See, I wouldn't see that Camry's front end right there if I had the mirror in the corner, but now I can see that there's a Camry driving sooner than I would if I was looking over here. I can see it right away. So the visibility is great in this car. Up here I got these nice Lexus inspired LED lights for both sides. Comes with Safety Connect. Rimless auto dimming rear view mirror. You can link it up to 3 different garages. So I hope that helps. That's a brief introduction to the 2021 Toyota VENZA. This is the XLE all-wheel drive. pretty loaded. They're all equipped a little different depending on packaging. But for my new to hybrid people that are not really sure about hybrids, basically, I mean, I have a different video about that, but basically you're getting power from two sources. You're getting power from the engine, but you're also getting power from the battery. Right now we're just on battery, so we might think the car is off, but it's actually on. Now we're off. The seat goes back, steering wheel goes up, which by the way is electronic, and there it is. Hope this video is helpful. Chris and Annie, I look forward to seeing you on Saturday bright and early, and I know that this is going to make a great car for you and your family. I'll see you then.